This is the Unit 10 review, part 3 video. Finishing up the questions, we are on number 38. Just like the ones before on the previous video, this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So we have h times the square root of 3, h, and 2h. We can see that h is equal to 11, so y is going to equal 11. And x is going to equal 2 times 11, which is 22. 39. Find the missing side lengths. We are now moving into 45, 45, 90 triangles. The formulas are f, and f times the square root of 2. We now know that f is equal to 9, so a equals 9, and b equals 9 as well. 45, 45, 90 triangle. F square root 2. Y is going to equal 9, because right here. And x equals 9 times the square root of 2. 41. Find the missing side lengths. Leave your answers as radicals in simplest form. Get that circle out of there. 45, 45, 90. This is a typo. This should be the square root of 2. If we write our formula, we have f times the square root of 2, f, and f. So f is going to equal 3, which means x equals 3, and y equals 3. 45, 45, 90. This is going to be f times the square root of 2, f, and f. F is equal to 12, so u equals 12. And v equals 12. Same thing, f times the square root of 2, f and f. F is equal to 20, so x equals 20, and y equals 20. Do it again, f times the square root of 2, f and f. F equals 5, so y equals 5, and x equals 5 times the square root of 2. Number 44, can the following values form a triangle? To be able to determine if 3 values form a triangle, we take 2 values, add them together, and they must be bigger than the largest value, the third value. 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, it is not bigger than 6. So, this cannot be a triangle. You can also check the other ones as well. So 3 and 6 is bigger than 2. And 2 and 6 are bigger than 3. So a shortcut is to just do the 2 smallest numbers and see if it's the bigger, added together, they're bigger than the third side. So 5 and 9 are my smaller numbers. Added together is 14 and is not bigger than 15. 46, 10 and 10. That is 20. It is, in fact, bigger than 10. So yes, it does form a triangle. Can the following values form a triangle? The 2 smallest values are 3 and 3. Added together, they are 6. That is not bigger than 6. So this cannot form a triangle. 8 plus 20 is 28. That is not bigger than 40, so it cannot form a triangle. 4 and 13 added together 17, which is bigger than 16, so yes, they can form a triangle. Number 50, 2 sides of a triangle have the values 2 and 6. Give the inequality to represent the possible side lengths for the third side x. So we need the range or the inequality that our third side can be. So for the smallest number, we always subtract the 2 values given. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 must be less than x, which must be less than our 2 values added together. 6 plus 2 is 8. So our inequality range is 4 is less than x, which is less than 8. So again, we are subtracting on this side and adding on this side. 111 minus 100 is 11, which must be less than x, which must be less than them added together, which is 211. 52, same thing, subtract, then add. 13 minus 7 is 6. Which must be less than x, which must be less than them added together, which is 20. So that is our range, 6 to 20. Same thing, subtract, then add. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. This is our range. Subtract, then add, yet again. 60 minus 20 is 40. Add them together and it's 80. Last question. Subtract, then add. So it will be 5 is less than x, which is less than 13. And that's the end of the Unit 10 paper review.